Handheld vacuums are a great option if you're looking to clean small spills around the home. They're lightweight and portable, and due to their small size, they're handy when tackling more difficult or uneven terrain, like inside your car or on your stairs. Some sticker canister vacuums also have a handheld configuration, making them even more versatile if you need to clean larger areas. Unfortunately, handheld vacuums tend to have small dirt compartments if they're cordless. They may also have a shorter continuous battery life than handheld vacuums. We have listed the top 5 handheld vacuums and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you want to save money and still get a decent quality product, we say check out the Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum, also known as the best affordable handheld vacuum on the market in 2023. Like other small handheld vacuums, the AeroSlim is not a complete replacement for a full-sized unit, but we can still say that it's a little monster in its own way. The wireless AeroSlim uses a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery, which allows it to last for at least 12 minutes. On the other hand, when tested in a car, it lasted 17 minutes with short breaks. The device takes a total of 3 hours to fully charge. This device will suck up every bit of it, sand, dust, cornflakes, and hair without any problem, and every particle will dry and loosen on the ground. Maybe it'll be a little noisy while you test it, but for that very reason, the engine is very efficient in its work. In one pass, this fellow will clean the surface and leave no particles behind the 2-on-1 crevice. Tool and dust brush are a nice addition. The brush can be pulled up and down, ease even with low battery. Its suction performance will not weaken, and the aesthetics are top-notch. This model has one of the best handheld vacuum bodies on the market. Best of all, it's compact. Even when you charge it on the charging base, it doesn't too much space on your counter. On the other hand, removing the accumulated dirt is very simple. A collection bin that uses an A2-level filtration system that is washable and can be easily detached multiple times at the touch of a switch for the listed price. You can beat this one. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Pivot Handheld Vacuum. If you want to get the top paying for the buck, we have especially selected the BLACK+DECKER Pivot Handheld Vacuum for you are the best value handheld vacuum of 2023. This is a sleek and stylish handheld vacuum with a futuristic feel. The nozzle on this device can rotate back and forth, which is a good thing because it's small. This allows you to narrow down the exact area you're vacuuming. It also makes it easier to vacuum in areas where there's a lot of dirt and dust. The BLACK+DECKER Pivot Handheld Vacuum has great suction power. It can be used to clean dirt, dust as well as small debris and even thick clumps. This is partly due to the suction power of the engine and the cyclone suction system. With this model, all vacuum, dirt, dust, and debris pass through with a 3-stage filtration system. This allows them to be removed, separated, and organized. The BLACK+DECKER Pivot Handheld Vacuum is a solidly built vacuum. Easy to use with one hand, and at 3 pounds, it's not too heavy to carry around for extended cleaning. With its 3 pounds weight, it still manages to develop a strong suction force. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 3-stage filter system, and dust particles never reach the engine compartment. Therefore, this device is reliable and durable. The BLACK+DECKER Pivot Handheld Vacuum is powered by a 20-volt lithium battery. This explains all the power it can deliver as well as its great autonomy. The only thing you need to do to maintain it properly is to change the filter. Also, we're looking at a very compact device. Unlike a large vacuum cleaner, this one is much easier to handle, especially considering its low weight. The cyclonic action of the motor gives it a very strong suction force. Cons: filters must be purchased separately, and keep in mind that the filter inside the device must be changed as often as possible. Highly recommended. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium Ion. If you have furry friends, look no further than the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium Ion, also known as the best Handheld vacuum for pet hair available on the market in 2023. This model is a wireless device with a 14.4-volt NIMH battery that lasts 15 minutes. This time is enough to remove dirt and small hairs from your pet. This vacuum cleaner is compact and light, 16 inches long, and with a weight of 3 pounds. The device is quite comfortable to use with its large handle that favors a good grip. This handheld vacuum works like a charm. Whether it's on your desk, countertop, upholstery, around the house, or inside your vehicle. The Pet Hair Squeegee is a portable device that works on both hard and soft surfaces. Use it on your smooth floors as well as your rugs or carpets, and in your car. The large 0.7-liter waste container of this Cordless, a vacuum cleaner ensures that daily maintenance of small messes of her beloved pet debris is collected in a clear plastic pet hair tie container, eliminating the need to change bags and limiting your waste. The waste container before the root reaches the line. Simply open the device and empty the collector above the waste bin. The pet hair brush has a 2-stage filtration system that simplifies maintenance and extends the life of the device. The Bissell Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a device specially designed for vacuuming pet hair and carpets and sofas. Of course, it doesn't only work in these circumstances, and therefore there are various plugins for duplicating apps. In addition, there is a double filtration that limits the release of dust into the air without any extras. It's a classic desktop vacuum cleaner against hair. It's necessary to use a motorized brush. The nozzle promotes deep, strong suction, and it has a filled coating for good hair capture. There's also a crevice tool that lets you vacuum corners and holes, and a classic brush nozzle for going over fragile furniture or upholstery. The options are unanimous. The power is there and the vacuum cleaner is efficient, but the battery needs to be changed after about a year. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus. The next product we'll talk about on our review list is the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus, also known as the best heavy-duty handheld vacuum cleaner available on the market in 2023. This is a high-quality model with quite interesting features. The first thing you should know about this product is that it comes with a power of 20, so you'll have no problem cleaning your house and your car. As for the autonomy, it's estimated that with a full charge, we'll have enough autonomy time for about 15 to 20 minutes of continuous operation. The integrated tank has a capacity of 75 milliliters. In addition to being very spacious, this model is also very easy to clean as it can be removed, which ensures that it's always in the best condition for use. The price of this BLACK+DECKER manual vacuum cleaner includes interesting accessories that further facilitate the use of the device. It has a brush for vacuuming and places made of fabrics, sofas as well as any type of furniture, in addition to others for treating the surface to be vacuumed more delicately, avoiding any kind of decay on it. The crevice tool has been redesigned and extended, so you'll easily clean all those hard-to-reach places and corners, such as holes in the sofa or corners under the couch. Of course, we must not forget the power boost mode, which will help you clean with 2 speeds. With just 1 push of a button, you'll be able to clean up the quickly created mess. There's also a battery indicator that will give you an insight into how much battery is left at any time, so you don't have to worry. Also, you can clean carpets and various rugs without any problems. Thanks to that bucket with the capacity of 75 milliliters, you can clean longer without stabbing, which makes the whole process even easier. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Number 1. Shark Wandvac. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall handheld vacuum available on the market in 2023. Meet the Shark Wandvac. We're looking at a lightweight handheld vacuum cleaner with power that exceeds much larger vacuum cleaners. This cordless vacuum cleaner uses a rechargeable lithium-ion cell. The whole unit charges at once, so you can't disconnect the battery. It also comes with a charging dock, which doubles as a storage unit, and should be plugged into the nearest power source. The Shark Wandvac only needs to be charged once every 10. It takes 2.5 hours to charge the battery fully. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with an LED light that shows the remaining battery time. It also shows the charging status while plugged in. Shark Wandvac is a handheld vacuum cleaner with a lightweight. It's an easy-to-use tool for everyone, including the elderly. While cleaning, you have complete control over your cleaning also. As mentioned above, this is a vacuum for use on the go or between routine vacuums. We recommended cleaning overhead surfaces such as furniture, bedding, curtains, and drapes. It effectively picks up debris on low, medium, and high pile carpets, hardwood floors, vinyl floors, and tile floors. This model also comes with useful tools. This cone nozzle on this vacuum cleaner is already designed for the efficient collection of all debris. A dusting tool is available to help you get into the nooks and crannies, especially when cleaning stairs and furniture. Additionally, it includes a multi-surface tool that's essential for cleaning areas with pets. It's also useful for picking up debris and carpets and rugs. Last but not least, the charging base also serves as storage for the vacuum cleaner and accessories. The Shark Wandvac is amazing for such a small size. The vacuum cleaner uses a brushless motor that can vacuum all types of debris from any floor. The container has a capacity of 0.08 liters, which can be disassembled for maintenance. The Shark Wandvac is the ultimate product in suction filtration and handling the cone nozzle, supported by a multi-surface attachment. This tool makes cleaning a breeze. Pile carpets can be cleaned with a multi-surface tool. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best handheld vacuums in 2023. Like, comment and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.